If there was something else we could do. Okay.
I'm just worried I might have pushed it too far.
Instead of beating him back.
I might have
Driven him right away.
Jill.
I meant what I
Sit
said.
on the phone. I'll go for custody.
I've got a new apartment. Faye can have her own room. I can take care of her. You can't even take care of yourself.
You've got no right to keep rhyming, Mother.
You're a whore. You're a
What do you think would happen to you if she were brought up by you? You're a whore.
I want my daughter.
over my dead
Body over my dead body.
Over my dead body. You're a whore. I am not
going to let you
Drag her down.
into the gutter.
leave her alone.
In 20 years' time, she'll be
Showing yourself on street corners.
Is that what you want?
Stop, is it?
Stop, is it? Stop, is it?
Now you listen to me.
Now you listen to me. I'm warning you.
Sonny.
I worked for Eddie Wallace when you were still in short pants, and I've still got a lot of friends round here.
Who's Sonny?
Who's Sunny? Short pants.
Here. So it's hanging in an altar, Jill.
Your life won't be worth 2 cents.
That was some performance. You really had him bluff.
I meant every word of it.
I meant
I meant.